Hey guys, today we're going to build brackets for my solar camp shower that I built, and this is the camp shower, and we have to mount it to a wall on the side of my camper. Now the clamps I've come up with, you should be able to use them on Yakima bars and any other similar type roof rack. So if you're looking at an idea on how to do yours, maybe this is something you could use. Okay, so I had some structural channel sitting around, so I thought I'd utilize it. And what I did was I ended up cutting two pieces, and they already have the holes in them, and believe it or not. So I'll just utilize those holes, and what we're going to do is we're going to set it like that. And oh, by the way, this channel runs about $10 a foot, and if you order it online, that's the price. If you get it locally, maybe you can get it cheaper, that way you don't have to pay for shipping. I'm using these clamps. I think you can get like a pair of them for about $5 over at Ace Hardware. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut a groove on each side here and here and feed the clamp through it, and it's going to clamp just like that. So let's go ahead and get started on this and get it going. Alright, the next thing we need to do is we need to put a slot on each side of the piece that we're working on. And normally I'd throw that in my milling machine and mill it out real fast, but for those that don't have a milling machine, I'll show a simple way of doing it. First we'll drill 3 holes, and they're going to overlap each other just a little bit. And then what we'll do is we'll use the drill to break out in between all 3 of them. After that, you can come in with a file and flatten down the side that the clamp is actually riding against. Alright, we've gone ahead and done our slots, so now all we're going to do is just give it a little paint and get them mounted. Okay, we've gone ahead and painted our part, so now what we're going to do is we're going to set this here. And if I was actually installing this right now, I'd put the bolt in, but I still want to mark where I'm going to do everything, so I'm not going to put the bolt in yet. I'm just going to show you how it mounts in there. There we go. Nice solid mount. All right, before I mount it on my truck, I thought I'd show you what it looks like on a truck rack that's got a T-slot mount. This is the same with any T-slot mount. You can also mount it on Yakima bars, whether they're round, oval, and you'd be using the Mighty mounts or the round bar adapters. All right, guys, here we are. I got it all installed on my pop-up camper. You might ask why I'm setting it lower, but that just happens to be where all my stuff is underneath or inside. If I put it up higher, then I got bolts rubbing on my inflatable mattress. So I thought I'd do it right here. No big deal, I don't care. It's nice and solid. I could probably do pull-ups on it. And you can see, hopefully you can see how that's mounted there underneath. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. It always helps. Alright, have a good one.